Lokesh with another exercise 3.4. In the last session we had completed up to exercise 3.3. In this session we might be discussing the elimination method. Okay, in the previous section we have completed the substitution method. In substitution method we have seen we have take one equation out of two, and for that equation we find this is the value of x and y, and will be putting this value in the second equation that we have not taken. Okay, in this elimination method, as the name of the method, elimination method means the one term you have to eliminate. Okay, what you have to do, you have to eliminate one term. Okay, just understand by question. So very first question of the exercise 3.4 I am taking just wait. So the first question is solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method and substitution also. So substitution we know that here I am solving only elimination method. So equation is x plus y equals to 5, and second is 2x minus 3y equals to what? 4. Okay, so these are two equations, x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. These are two equations. We have to use the elimination method. For elimination method, one thing you must keep in your mind, that is for eliminating any term, the terms should be means their coefficients should be same. Means टर्म को आपको एलिमिनेट करना है तो वो एलिमिनेट तब होगी जब उनकी कॉफिशिएंट सेम होंगे, मीन्स जो वेरिएबल्स उनके साथ में नंबर सेम होंगे. फॉर दैट सी इन द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन वी हैव x y and 5. In second one we have with x we have 2 and with y we have what? 3. Okay, so their coefficients are not same, so we cannot solve it. Okay, one more thing you have to leave it, this thing I'll explain later. Okay, so first what I have to do, I'll take the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x I have what? 2. So I multiply equation first by 2 and this is equation second, and equation second coefficient of x is what? 1. Okay, but one more thing that you have to keep in your mind, first we have to see the sign of equation. मीन इन इक्वेशंस के साइन देखना है. यहाँ देखो दोनों सेम है तो फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, सो बेटर है. ओके, लिव इट. what will you do? We take the coefficient of the second, will multiply with the first. coefficient of first, x के साथ कोई नंबर नहीं है, मीन्स क्या होगा? 1. सो विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. करना है क्या है? सेकेंड इक्वेशन में x का कोफिशिएंट लेना है, उसको फर्स्ट इक्वेशन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में x का जो भी कोफिशिएंट होगा उसको सेकेंड इक्वेशन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. क्लियर है? सो 2 इंटू एक्स इट वुड बिकम वॉट? 2x प्लस एज इट इज 2 इंटू वाई इट वुड बी 2y इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू 5, 2 5 10. You don't have to take the sign. Okay, you have to take only number. 1 into 2x, 2x as it is, minus 1 into 3y, 3y as it is, and 1 into 4 as it is 4. Now you have to subtract this equation. For subtracting, their sign would be changed. It is positive, so change into negative. It is negative, it would be changed in positive. It would be positive to negative. Okay, so see, minus 2x plus 2x would be cancelled out. Here we have plus 2y and plus 3y would become what? Plus 5y. And 10 minus 4 would be what? 6. So value of y would be what? 6 by 5. Okay, so this is the value of y we have. Okay, now for finding value of x, I put the value of y in equation number first. Okay, so by equation first we have x plus y equals to what? 5. So x as it is, instead of y I'll take what? 6 by 5. 6 by 5 equals to 5. For finding x, I'll shift this thing. So x equals to what? 5 minus 6 by 5, because here it is positive. When I shift it, it would be what? Negative. You can solve this thing. 5 5 is 25 minus 6 by 5. Okay, so finally you'll get what? 25 minus 6, what? 19, and by 5. So it cannot be cut. So finally we have the values of x 19 by 5 and value of y 6 by 5. You can solve the equation, but one thing you should remember, that is their coefficient should be the same. Okay, elimination में करना क्या है? पहले इक्वेशन को देख लो, दोनों इक्वेशन में अगर कोफिशिएंट सेम हो नो प्रॉब्लम, अगर नहीं है तो आपको क्या कर रहा है? सेकेंड इक्वेशन से एक्स वाई किसी का भी ले सकते हो. मैंने यहाँ एक्स का कोफिशिएंट लिया, आप वाई भी ले सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. एक्स का कोफिशिएंट लेना, उसको पूरी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से मल्टीप्लाई करना है लाइक दिस. सेकेंड फिर फर्स्ट से y का x का कोफिशिएंट लेना है, x का क्या है यहाँ 1, तो इस 1 से पूरी इक्वेशन में मल्टीप्लाई करना है, फिर इक्वेशंस को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है और यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट. ओके, नाउ if you are not understand, so please watch it twice or thrice, then you would be understand. Okay, now the remaining question of the first you have to solve by the elimination. No need to solve by substitution method because in 3.5 we have done it. Okay, now see question number second. See, what is the second question? Form the pair of linear equation in the following problem and find the solution if they exist. Okay, if they exist, by the elimination method, we have to solve it by elimination method. Okay, the first one is if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Okay, we are adding 1 with the numerator and subtracting 1 from the denominator. A fraction reduced by 1. तो फ्रैक्शन क्या हो जाता है, रिड्यूस होके कितना हो जाता है, 1 हो जाता है. इट बिकम 1/2 व्हेन, अब वो 1/2 हो जाता है कब, इफ वी ओनली एड 1 टू द डिनोमीटर. अगर हम सिर्फ डिनोमीटर में 1 ऐड करते हैं, व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन. ओके, इन द फ्रैक्शन वी नो दैट देयर आर टू थिंग्स, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमीटर. सो फर्स्ट वी सपोज दिस थिंग्स. So here I have supposed the numerator be x and denominator I have supposed what, y. And we know that the fraction is equals to what, numerator upon denominator. So fraction would be what, numerator x upon denominator what, y. It would be the fraction. Okay. Now, according to question, in first one you please use the textbook. Okay. According to question, they have told that if we add 1 to the numerator. Okay, so with the numerator I am writing according to question. Okay, so with the numerator I am adding 1. Okay, and subtract 1 from the denominator. Okay, I am subtracting 1 from the denominator. Denominator I have y, so I am subtracting 1 from it. Okay, then they have said from 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1. fraction reduce होके कितना हो जाता है, 1. मीन्स इट वुड बी इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, 1. रिड्यूस होके मतलब क्या है, पहले जो भी था उससे कम होके वो कितना हो जाएगा, सिर्फ 1. ओके, नाउ नथिंग इज अपॉन 1, सो आई एम टेकिंग अपॉन 1. सो नाउ विल क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई देम. सो x प्लस 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, कुछ नहीं वही आएगा. y माइनस 1 का 1 में मल्टीप्लाई होगा, विल गेट सेम थिंग, y माइनस 1. नाउ शिफ्टिंग y टुवर्ड x, सो x माइनस y. Okay, minus 1 we have, when I am shifting 1 toward minus 1, it will be also minus 1. So x minus y equals to what, minus 2. This would be the first equation. Okay, now second equation, again according to the question. Now we'll say in the question they have, you please use your textbook. They told that it becomes 1/2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. It become what, 1/2. Okay, means x and y we already have. It become 1/2 when, if we only add 1 to the denominator. With the denominator we are adding 1, then it would become what, 1/2. There is no change in the numerator. Okay, now we'll cross multiply. So 2 into x become what, 2x. 1 multiply y plus 1 will get what, y plus 1. So when we shift y, we'll get what, 2x minus y equals to 1. This is our second equation. See, we have one equation first and second. Okay, in both equation we don't need to change anything. Okay, one more thing I'm explaining you. So I'm taking equation first, directly I'm subtracting equation 1 and 2. Why I'm doing this, see, you'll be understand. X minus y equals to what, minus 2. Second I'm taking 2x minus y equals to what, 1. Okay, see here coefficient of x are different but coefficient of y are same. So we don't need to multiply these things, we'll solve it directly. We'll subtract them, so it would be negative, it would be positive, it would be what, negative. So minus 2x plus 1x, it would be what, minus x. Minus y plus y would be cancelled out, and minus 2 minus 1 would be what, minus 3. Minus 2 minus will cut out, so x will get what, plus 3. This is the value of x. Okay, for finding y, what I'll do, I put the value of x wherever I want. I put in equation first. Okay, so by equation first I have x minus y equals to what, minus 2. Instead of x I am taking 3 minus y equals to minus 2. When I shift 3, it would be negative, so y equals to, I'll get what, minus 2 and minus 3, minus 5. So minus 2 minus cancelled out, y I'll get what, 5. These are the x and y. Finally we have to find the fraction. So fraction we have supposed Earlier we have written x upon y, so x we have what 3, y we have what 5. So this is the fraction. Okay, so watch it twice or thrice, then you would be understand. Clear? Now for the remaining question, I'm just making the equations. Their remaining parts you have to solve. Okay, so let's see. See the second one. 5 year ago, 5 year means 5 year from before 5 means what we can say 5 year back from now. Okay, 5 year ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 year later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old Nuri and Sonu? So we'll suppose the age of Nuri and Sonu be x and y. Okay, before 5 year we'll see, so Nuri's age will be what x minus 5 and Sonu's age would be what y minus 5. So they have say, told that Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So Nuri's age what x minus 5 and Sonu's age what was y minus 5. Okay, so it would be thrice means 3 into y minus 5. Clear? सोनू की एज में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, देन यू विल सॉल्व, यू गेट इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. 10 year later means after 10 year Nuri would be what x plus 10. After 10 year second one no Sonu would be what y plus 10. Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu, so equation would be what x plus 10 equals to twice of y plus 10. Okay, so this would be the two equations. You have to solve this and solve their remaining part also. Okay, PDF also I'll provide, so you can see there also. Okay, now see this, it's a question number third. The sum of the digit of two digit number is 9. Sum of the digit of two digit number. You have solved the question of two digit number in class 8. Okay, also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by the reversing the order of digit. Find the number. So first we suppose the once and twice times digit. Now see, so first I have supposed the two digits. I have supposed the digit at unit place x and digit at tens place. Two digit means like if I write 12, so this would be what unit digit, and this would be what tens digit, isn't it? Okay, so unit digit I have supposed what x, 10 digit I have supposed what y. This thing you have to keep in your mind. This two digit number always equals to 10 into second digit plus first digit. This is the formula. Okay, so 10 into second means 10 digit. 10 digit we have y, and 1 digit we have what x. Okay, now according to question, what they have told that the sum of you please use your textbook. They told that the sum of two digit number is 9. Sum of two digit number is 9 means two digit we have x and y, so x plus y equals to what 9. This would be the first equation. Later they told that 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. So first I am reversing the digit. Okay, so 9 times this number, okay, means 9 times of this number means 9 of 10y plus x. Okay, 9 times मैं जो भी बोल रहा हूँ ये आपको बुक में देखना है. 9 times this number means 9 times of this number, okay, would be what is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digit. अगर इन digit का order में अगर change कर दूँ तो ये जो y है ये यहाँ जाएगा और x कहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ आ जाएगा. तो नंबर क्या हो जाएगा 10x प्लस y. तो ये क्या होगा, इस 10x प्लस y का ट्वाइस हो जाएगा. मीन्स क्या था कि जो ओरिजिनल नंबर है इसका 9 टाइम्स, डिजिट का ऑर्डर चेंज करने पे जो नंबर आया उसके ट्वाइस, ओके, के इक्वल होगा, isn't it? So you would be understand when you see the question properly. Okay, so 9 into 10y will get what 90y plus 9x equals to 2 into 10x for 20x plus 2y. Okay, now when you subtract it, 90y minus 2y will get what 88y. 9x we have here. Okay, so 9x minus 20x will get what 11x equals to 0. I'll dividing this equation. I'm dividing this equation by 11, so it would be easy. So 11 is the, so write it, divide by 11. Okay, so 11 is the 88 y minus 11 1 is 11 x equals to 0. If I am writing it properly, I'll get what minus x plus 8y equals to 0. This is the second equation. These two equation, what you have to do, add this equation directly, then x to x would be cancelled out. No need to change their sign. Okay, So this would be the answer. Finally, whatever the value of xy, you have to put there here. Clear? And PDF also I will provide, so you can see there also. Clear? Now the remaining, see the next question, question number, it's fourth one. Meena went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000. Meena is withdrawing 2000 rupees. Okay. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. So first we suppose 50 rupees x note be x, 100 rupees note be what? Y. She got 25 note in all. So total number of notes she got what? How many? 25. Find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. So first we suppose 50 rupees note as x and 100 rupees note as what? Y. Okay, total amount she is withdrawing how much? 2000 rupees. Okay, so I'm just showing you its solution and direct explaining it. See, so first we suppose let the number of notes of rupees 50 be x and number of notes of rupees 100 be y. According to question, they have told that total amount she is withdrawing how much? 2000. So 15 to x. Okay, so 50 rupees note and number of notes we have what? x. 50 रुपए की x नोट है, 100 रुपए के y नोट है. अगर दोनों को मिला दें तो कितना हो जाएगा? 2000 रुपीज. इफ आई डिवाइडेड बाय 50, व्हाट आई गेट? 50 by 50 x, 100 by 50 2y, and 2000 we divide by 50, will get what? 40. Equation number first. Second condition, they told that total number of notes are 25, mean number of 50 rupees note x, number of 100 rupees note y. So x plus y equals to what? 25. You have the second equation. You'll solve these two equations, subtract them directly, and you'll get the answer. Okay. Also you can see the PDF I'll provide it. See the last one. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. Fixed charge, whenever you see the this word fixed charge, you have to suppose one thing as x, means ये तो आना ही आना है जो हमने टैक्सी वाला क्वेश्चन किया था. Okay, the first 3 days fixed charge for first 3 days means for 3 days they have to give the x rupees, and the additional charge for the for each day thereafter. For after means after 3 days, for every day they have to give the additional charge. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book. Sarita क्या कर रही है? 7 days के लिए बुक को रख रही है, 27 रुपीज़ वो पे कर रही है. ओके, सो 27 क्या हो जाएगा टोटल? 7 days means 7 and 2 what? Y and x they have to add. While Susie said paid 21 for the book, she kept for 5 days. अब वो 5 दिन उस बुक को रख रही है, 21 रुपीज़ पे कर रही है. सो x तो उसको पे करना ही है 3 days के लिए. अब कितना है? 2 days और. ओके, तो क्या हो जाएगा? देखिए मैं डायरेक्टली इसको यहीं x लिख के बताता हूँ, यू वुड बी अंडरस्टैंड. फर्स्ट वी सपोज फिक्स चार्ज x and charge per day be what? We suppose what? Y. Okay, first Sarita paid 27. Sarita is paying 27 rupees. Okay, so 27x she has to give. It is compulsory. Okay, she is keeping it for how many days? 7 days. Okay, 7 days. 3 days already we have paid. Remaining days how much was there? So 4. So it would be 4y equals to 27. Means 27 पे कर रही है, 3 दिन का उसको देना ही है. अब टोटल 7 डेज है तो कितने दिन बचे हैं? 4. तो 4 दिन का y रुपीज़ पर डे के अकॉर्डिंग कितना हो जाएगा? x plus 4y equals to 27. For second one, Susie is paying 21 rupees. Susie is paying how much? 21. So x she has to give. It is compulsory. Okay. अब 3 दिन तो ऑलरेडी होगा. अब कितने दिन और बचे? She is keeping 5 days. तो 3 दिन तो हो गए, कितने दिन और बचे? 2 दिन. So she has to take plus 2y equals to 21. So these are equation first and this would be the equation second. Clear? Okay, so you have to solve these equations and you'll get the answer. So this was exercise 3.4. Thank you.